Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making high-protein keto cottage cheese bites, perfect for a quick, low-carb snack that's packed with protein. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup cottage cheese, 285 g, 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Blend cottage cheese and eggs until smooth. Add almond flour, baking powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Blend again until fully combined. Pour the mixture into a silicone muffin or flatbread mold. A 6-compartment mold works well. Bake for 25 minutes, rotating halfway through. Let cool for 5 minutes before flipping the flatbreads and baking for an additional 5 minutes to get a crispy finish. Serve as soft taco shells or breakfast sandwich buns with your favorite keto toppings. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cooking time: 30 minutes. Total time: 40 minutes. Kcal: 90 kilocalories. Servings: 6 mini flatbreads. Dish presentation: these cottage cheese mini flatbreads are a high-protein, keto-friendly option that have taken the low-carb world by storm. They are versatile and can be used as soft taco shells, sandwich buns, or even enjoyed plain as a quick snack. The combination of cottage cheese and almond flour gives them a fluffy, satisfying texture, while still being low in carbs and packed with protein. Whether you're preparing for a busy week or just want a tasty, healthy bread substitute, these mini flatbreads are easy to make and customizable with different seasonings and toppings. They're perfect for breakfast sandwiches, meal prep, or simply to enjoy on their own. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.